Infinix is a popular smartphone brand known for its affordable yet feature-packed devices. However, like any other electronic gadget, Infinix phones can encounter some issues, including a phone that won't turn on. But don't worry, there are several solutions you can try to fix an Infinix phone that won't turn on. In this video, we will show you how to fix an Infinix smartphone that won't turn on. First solution, charge your phone. The first thing you should do if your Infinix phone won't turn on is to check the battery. It's possible that your phone's battery is completely drained, and that's why it won't turn on. Plug your phone into a power source and wait for a few minutes to see if it starts charging. Make sure you're using a genuine Infinix charger or a charger with the same specifications to avoid damaging your phone. If the device doesn't respond to the charger, try the next solution. Second solution, try a forced restart. If your phone's battery is not the issue, the next step is to perform a forced restart. This method can help to clear any software glitches that may be causing the problem. In fact, in most of the cases we've seen with Infinix smartphones, this procedure is the most effective. To do a forced restart, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the phone vibrates and the Infinix logo appears on the screen. Release the power key, and your phone should boot up successfully. When it comes to fixing a problem like this, you really don't need to do some advanced troubleshooting procedures. These two methods are enough to fix it, unless your phone has some signs of physical or liquid damage. In such a case, you might need help from a technician. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.